Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 21 plate MG HS. It's an Excite and it's the plug-in hybrid. What I'll be doing in this video is just showing you the condition of the vehicle and some of the features it has. So before we start, as far as condition goes, I've only seen one area on the whole thing that should just polish out, so I'll show you that as we get to it. But first thing we'll start with, driver's side rear wheel. So you may note as well, all four tyres are Michelin's. It's also got disc brakes all round, so definitely higher quality there. Also got this moulding going all the way around the bottom of the vehicle, prevents any stone chips taking the paint off low down and causing rust areas. You've then got keyless entry with the little button on the door, so if you press that, vehicle locks, wing mirrors fold in, press it again, unlocks, fold out. And just before we get too far, you've also got the roof bars on this one as well. Then onto the second alloy. Again, no wear and tear or curb in there. And then as you come around the front, there isn't any parking sensors on this, as you don't really need them. I'll show you why a little bit further on. But as you can see, condition's very good. We've got no scuffs anywhere, no stone chips. Then onto the passenger side front alloy. Once again, no issues as far as curbing or anything goes. And then the one area I said there's a little bit, looks like there's a tiny bit of paint transfer there, but with it being paint transfer onto this vehicle, it should just polish out very easily, that one. So again, you've got keyless entry on the passenger side too. And then onto the last alloy. As you can see, once again, no curbing, no corrosion, no wear and tear there. So when you get onto the rear, you do get parking sensors along the back there, so you've got 4 along the moulding. And you do also get reverse camera just under there, and you've also got your plug-in hybrid badging. So I'll just open the boot, just see what kind of space is available in there. So first of all, you do get a warning triangle just down there. It's just velcroed down, so you could have it up against the side if you really wanted to. You've also got this pulley style load cover, so you can just move it out of the way. It does retract very nicely. Underneath the boot floor, you've got your 3-pin home charger there. You've also got an inflation kit. So there's the fluid, there's the actual inflator itself. And I'll just pop one of the seats down for now. So interestingly, they actually lock into place in this vehicle. If you can get it to move. One moment, there we go. Seems I wasn't just pressing it right. 1 second. So you can see I've moved the seat back a little bit there, so we'll just hop in the front. Gives me another chance to show you. It has got all electric seat adjustment. There you go, just heard the back go down. So you can see there, it does go completely flat. We'll look at it from the boot. There you are. Maybe a 5-degree lip, but nothing, you couldn't push anything over. So we'll hop round, look into the rear. So again, I said it locks in place, so you can't move it unless you pull the handle, and then it goes straight up. They've actually got a few positions you can have the backrest, so that's the most upright, and then you can go a little bit further back. You've then also got this armrest, which is a very well designed one. Got a bit of storage at the back, and then you've got 2 cup holders at the front there. And then just in front of that for your rear seat passengers, you've got some vents as well, and a couple of charge ports in there. So I'll move around into the front now. So you do get electric windows all around, electric folding wing mirrors. As I said, you've also got electrically adjustable seats as well, and keyless start to go with the keyless entry. And if you're looking for somewhere to keep the key with it all being keyless, there is a nice little slot there, they'll fit in. But for now, I'll keep hold of them just so we don't trap them in the vehicle. And then we'll press the start button, and it jumps straight into life there. So infotainment screen's already on. We'll hit navigation, let that load up while everything else is going on. So this is your basic screen, so you've got your speed on one side and your percentage of power usage there. It also tells you whether you're using engine, whether you're using electric motors and the battery charge. So it's a great little screen there. You can see we're currently on 0, as I have tested the range a little bit there on just electric mode, but we always make sure they're plugged in before handover, so they've got up full charge. But they are really quite a good system. It sort of lets you put a bit of power down with the electric mode, and it'll also let you extend the range. So really good plug-in hybrid, this one. So moving down onto features around the wheel then. So you've got all your sort of trip computer and menu controls over on the right hand side, with a customizable button there and voice control on there. Over on this side, you've got all your volume controls and radio controls along with the phone. So you've got your source, a mute, your skip track or station, volume, and then obviously your phone button. Just behind then, we've got automatic lights. You've also got intermittent wipers, then got cruise just down there. You've also got lane keep assist on the stop. Over onto centre screen, so this is the screen you've got for the sat nav. It's a really nice screen, very simple, doesn't overcomplicate anything, and it's currently showing our location on Northgate there. So we've also got these little toggle switches, brings us back on the home screen. So you do have DAB radio on this alongside FM radio, and then you've got all your climate settings on this screen here. You jump on that, you'll also notice that you've got heated seats as well. That is automatic, so if we hit that, it should just start kicking in now. Then we'll jump back onto the home screen because there's a couple more to show. So you do get Apple CarPlay, but you've also got Android Auto. If you just scroll one further on, it's just there for you. And you've also got the 360 view, which we've already got a solid button for. So if we press that, you can see where we're at. So there you go, it shows the outside of the car. And that's your front view, so it actually gives you a camera rather than parking sensors at the front. So this is why I was saying it's a little bit redundant having sensors there, because they seem to have improved that area. If you want to get off that, you just hit the little cross in the corner. I've also got a 2D mode, so it shows you exactly where you are. Personally, I think 3D works a little better. You've got quite a few options. You can either show that screen there with the front, so that's your wide front view. Also got view at the rear, so it makes parking very, very easy, this car. And then moving down from there, last few areas to finish with. Now this is where you find USB sockets in the front. So you've got one for your smartphones, one just for charging, then you've got a 12 volt power outlet. Then you've got the automatic gearbox here. So you've also got your pure EV mode, drive, neutral, reverse, and then park's just a button on the top. You then got hill descent control, got your auto stop start, and your parking electronic parking brake. And got two cup holders, little side storage area, and then just a nice comfy armrest. It slides forwards and back with nothing more than a bit of storage inside. So if there is anything I've not covered in this video or any extra info you'd like, don't hesitate to get in contact and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks, take care, bye.